for me, this is going to be the most open and accessible legislature in Maine's history. For the first time, we'll be having committee processes that people can actually stay at their home, see and hear the testimony, and also join in. I mean, you'll literally be able to stay in Fort Kent, Maine, and testify on a bill that's typically heard here in Augusta. We should have probably done something like this sooner. The pandemic has really forced us to embrace this, and I am excited about that aspect of where we are in the Maine legislature. Governor Mills and the Department of Economic Community Development has announced 2 grants. One of them is a $40 million economic grant for the hospitality industry. This one, obviously for retail stores, restaurants, there was some people that had a hard time applying for the other 2 and were denied. This one is certainly designed for more of those businesses. I've had a number of restaurants that I've worked with. I want to encourage you to apply for this one because it is thought out more with your situations in mind. And we'll provide the link. You can call my office, 287-1500. We'll do whatever we can to help, but your frustration over the last 2 shouldn't stop you from applying for this one. In addition, there's a $30 million grant for healthcare facilities, for nursing homes, places like that, and we'll provide that link too. And for people that work in those facilities, healthcare workers, please reach out to us to help or any questions you have on that. So the COVID-19 pandemic actually is getting worse in the state of Maine. I have my mask right here. I want to make sure and encourage people to continue to wear your mask. I mean, the idea that people won't wear their mask still is unbelievable to me. If there's any chance that this will help someone, why wouldn't you? I mean, from the time that you're a small child, you're always encouraged when you sneeze or cough to put your hand over your mouth. It's no different wearing a mask, and really, that's what we're trying to do is make sure that we don't have this rage. This week, it became very clear to me here in the Maine legislature, one of our Senator-elect, Senator Rick Bennett, couldn't be at the swearing-in ceremonies because he was actually diagnosed with COVID-19. We're definitely wishing the best for Rick and his family. And just before, the day before swearing in, Governor Mills, who was scheduled to swear us in, as the tradition, told us that she's not sure, but she was exposed to somebody that had COVID-19. So now she has decided to self-quarantine, which is, shows, how hard Governor Mills has worked at this, and she is practicing what she has certainly preached about quarantining whenever there's a chance of exposure. She wasn't able to swear us in, so Acting Chief Justice Meade swore us in, but that really brought it home for a lot of us that one of our members actually had it, and obviously the governor, was at least quarantining with the belief that she may have it after being exposed to someone. So it just wear your mask. Let's try and get through this and get over this so our economy can get back to where it was, and certainly so we don't lose any more people. So I just want to finish with my sincere appreciation and thanks for re-electing me to Senate District 1 and serving again as Senate President. Please, if there's something comes up that I can help with, reach out to me, reach out to my office. We'll certainly do whatever we can to make people's lives better and get those services to you. That's what my job is, and I take it very seriously. So we'll see you, and I look forward to speaking with you next week.